Hello, welcome to Over Crochet channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to make this flower. It has 6 petals with 5 chain picots on tops. This is the wrong side. For the work I will use crochet hook number 2.2 from Susan Bates, crochet thread NTN number 3, raspberry color, and for the core I will use white color with a shimmer on it. Make magic ring or amigurumi loop, or it also called sliding loop. Put it across, go under the cross, grab the working yarn, pull it up, remove your fingers, secure it with one chain. From now on we will work into this ring. 2 more chain to bring up the yarn and 11 double crochet into the ring. Yarn over, insert the hook, grab the working yarn, 3 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we need to make 10 more. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 3 chain to bring up the yarn and 11 double crochet, total 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, all done. Now grab the short tail and pull the ring to make it tighter. Now we need to join. To join it, make slip stitch into the 3rd chain to join, but because we're gonna be changing colors, insert the hook, do not pull white yarn, attach pink yarn and pull pink yarn through both loops. This way it will be white core and pink petals, and the knots will be overlapping on each other. Soon you will see it clearly. Now we need to make petals. 4 chain to bring up the yarn, 2, 3, 4. Into the next stitch, into this one, we will make 3 treble crochet. 2 times yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn. We have 4 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 more into the same stitch. 1 and another one, also work into the same stitch. Now we need to make 5 chain picot. 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5. Find 2 loops from treble crochet, grab the working yarn, pull through everything. This is 5 chain picot. 3 treble crochet into the same stitch what we were working on, the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch into the next stitch of the white core. Our first petal is ready. We made 4 chain to bring up the yarn, 3 treble crochet, 5 chain picot, another 3 treble crochet into the same stitch, 4 chains, 1 slip stitch into the next chain. Continue the same way till the end. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, 3 treble crochet together, 1, 2, 3, 5 chain picots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, find 2 loops from the treble crochet stitch, yarn over, pull through everything, make slip stitch, 3 treble crochet into the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, slip stitch into the next loop of the white core, second petal is also ready. Make 4 more petals and we will see over here. I'm about to finish my 6th petal. I need to make 4 chains and join it with last slip stitch. Okay, we do not have more loops, we have only first loop right over here, but try to work under 2 loops, not only under 1, and pull it more. Find this loop and insert the hook into the 3rd chain of previous row, like that. Grab the working yarn and pull through 2 loops. Now we can cut all tails. Oh, I didn't cut white. White we also can cut. Pull it up, pull it up, hide all tails. If you want, you can pull white yarn a little bit more and you won't see this little hole anymore. Just find it, hold it and pull. Now we need to hide all the tails, wash and steam the motifs. watch more video how to hide the tails, and check description box to find more videos how to join motifs to each other. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribes. See you later.